guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Realme Narzo50A is not turning on and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to check whether the phone battery is charged, and this could be due to the consumption of entire juice from the same. As it said, if there is no battery, you will not be able to charge. You will not be able to turn it on. So make sure you're having enough battery. I know this sounds a little ridiculous, but even these are the basic things which you have to try out. An issue with the third-party app can cause the problem. Thus, you just have to check all the apps before you install them in the phones and make sure they are compatible with the same. Make sure to press power button a little bit harder and check if it's helping. We are having the power button here, so we have to press and see and whether it's going to work or not. This is what you have to do. And also, what you have to do is any unknown source glitch in the device can be the reason, like malwares can be the issue. So as I said earlier, you have to download from the Play Store, and it should not be depending on the third-party applications, because if the virus is there, definitely that can cause a lot of issues, right? So also there are chances that the phone is getting turned, but it's the screen that is not. So you have to check the screen is working. So even you turn it, you press and hold this in order to reboot it once again, but it's all working good. But if the screen is completely damaged, or if the screen is not working, so you'll not be able to see this app. So you have to think in that way. Also know the exact number of seconds of which you need to press the power button. Sometimes this problem is just because you are pressing the same way for a very short span of time or not. So all you need to do is, in order to reopen, you have to, in order to on the phone, you just have to press and hold for hardly 2 to 3 seconds. That's what it's all need. So you just have to check for that part. And also sometimes, as I said earlier, we can divide the problems into two, either software or hardware. Sometimes the hardware damage in your phone can be the reason to this problem. So you just have to check, and if you finally understood, you're done with all these things with the buttons and all these things, and if it's not working, then definitely it's a hardware problem. You charged it and still it's not getting charged, it's not getting opt up. So you definitely have to meet an expert, book an appointment with the Realme experts, and just have to talk to them. And also overheating can sometimes turn off the device automatically, and you can turn it on unless the inner temperature comes down to the normal range. And also you have to check if the phone can be turned on in safe mode. Press the power button with the volume up and down for the same. You know that, right? We have the power button here, volume up and volume down button here, and try if it's not working. Then you just have to try with the recovery mode also. And even if that's not working, it's a dead end. You just have to talk, or you just have to book an appointment with the expert, talk to them, ask for the suggestions, and definitely they'll be helping you guys out. So these are the basic steps that you have to try out when your Realme Narzo50A is not turning on. Also, I would like to add a little bit, if the power buttons are also not working fine, you'll be having the trouble also. So make sure that part also. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.